Gently close your eyes. Now, focus on your breath. With each passing moment, visualize and imagine the air that you breathe in is slowly entering your nostrils. Inhale. Feel the air rushing in. Now slowly exhale. Remember, whenever you exhale, your mind, your body is getting healed. Now, breathe in again and focus on the exhalation. Exhale. Now, slowly lie down in Shavasana, in supine position if you can. If you cannot, then kindly sit in an upright posture while keeping your spine erect and palms facing upwards towards the sky. Now slowly relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Now, with each passing moment, imagine and visualize your body and mind slowly relaxing. With each breath that you breathe in, your thoughts are slowly getting clearer and centered. Focus on your breath, the sound that is being generated when you inhale and exhale. Inhalation and exhalation. Somewhere in between is the point of equilibrium, and that is what we call life. Focus on the vibrations. Focus as the air slowly entering your nostrils, and through your nostrils it's entering your lungs, then your heart. Now imagine and visualize and try to feel as the breath now enters your bloodstream. Now breathe in and try to imagine and feel your breath flowing through your veins, reaching every body part, every organ. And now, when you inhale, each of your organs are getting healed. Inhale. Exhale. Now, try to feel as with each passing moment, your breath is getting deeper and slower. Now, try to feel and follow your breath getting deeper and slower. And soon you will find yourself on a pathway to your soul. Now, slowly feel and try to hear the sounds of cosmic vibrational Om. This sound is going to help you heal and slowly reconnect with the nature, with the entire universe. Try to feel it. Now, again, focus on your breath as it gets even slower. Now try to feel the air around you. Now imagine and feel as the air slowly pushes your body towards the ground. Imagine and try to feel as your body is getting heavier with each passing moment. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Focus on your breath. Now, as you feel your breath getting deeper and slower, and the air around you pushing your body towards the ground, now imagine and feel as your body is slowly melting and becoming one with the earth. Now slowly forget who you are, where you are. The only thing you remember is the air slowly entering your system and healing you internally, physically and mentally. Focus on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now, try to remember the happiest moment of your life. It could be any moment, any memory. It could be the time you spent with your family, with your grandparents, or it could be the time when you achieved something materialistic. Try to remember the happiest moment. Now visualize and try to relive that moment. Now feel the happiness, the calmness, the joy you felt in that moment. Now, again, try to relive that joy, that bright smile on your face, that calmness, and that cheerfulness in your heart, that love for each and every individual around you. Try to feel as the same love is slowly being generated from the depth of your heart. And with the exhalation, the air you breathe out, the same love is slowly reaching everybody around you. Try to feel the energy, the power. And now, take a deep breath, and with the exhaling air, let's spread this love, this happiness and health all around us. Try to feel the vibrations when you exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try to feel as your heart slowly relaxes, as your mind, as your thoughts slowly calming down, as your heart slowly gets rid of all negative moments, all emotional blocks. Try to feel your entire body, each and every individual cell is slowly becoming happier and sound. Again, focus on your breath and feel as your breath is slowly getting even deeper, connecting you with the inner being, Jivatmana. And with each passing moment, you hear the sound of cosmic Om. Now, let's come back to our physical body. Try to feel as the skin breathes in the air around you. Try to feel the touch of the clothes that you're wearing at this moment. Now slowly move your ankle joints. Now slowly move your fingers Try to feel the minute vibrations that are generated when you move your body. Now, with the consciousness on your body, slowly raise your palms, rub them together, and when the heat is generated, slowly, gently place them on your eyes. Now, try to feel this cosmic energy around you in the form of this heat, this warmth. Now, with a divine smile, gently open your eyes and feel as this warmth, this positive divine healing energy enters your eyes and slowly enters your entire inner body. Now, again with a divine smile, slowly remove your palms. And now, using your left hand, slowly get up towards the left side and relax. Focus on the smile, the emotions, and the centered, calm thoughts. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om.